Okay, we are going to start question number 11. A curve passes through the point 43 and is such that dy over dx is equals to 8 over x square minus 10 over 2x minus 3 whole square. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at point P. Give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, if there is a equation of curve y something and this curve is passing through the point P like 4 comma 3 and tangent to the curve will be like this, and we need to find the equation of this normal. To find the equation, we will use slope point form. To find equation of normal, we will use slope point form, which is y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. Here the point P is given, which is x1 and y1, and this one is equals to 4 comma 3, which is given. We need to find the slope of the normal, and slope of the normal is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent to the curve at point P. So slope of normal is perpendicular, this one is a symbol of perpendicular, to the slope of tangent to the curve at point P. Okay, if we can find the slope of tangent at P, we can find slope of normal. So we know that slope of tangent at point P is equals to the derivative of the curve with respect to x at point. So we already have derivative of the curve, which is 8 over x square minus 10 over 2x minus 3 whole square. And when we plug value of P, which is 4 comma 3, we will get the slope of the tangent at point P. So plugging the value, so dy over dx is equals to the 8 over x coordinate is 4, so 8 over 4 square minus 10 over 2x means 2 times 4 minus 3 whole square. And this one is equals to 8 over 16 minus 10 over 5 square. So this one is equals to 2 and this one is equals to 2. So we have 1 over 2 minus 2 over 5, which is equals to 10, 5 minus 4, and slope of the tangent is 1 over 10, and this one is slope of tangent. And we know that the slope of tangent is perpendicular to the slope of normal. So normal slope times tangent slope is -1. So plugging the slope of tangent, so slope of normal is time slope of tangent is 1 over 10 is equals to -1, and slope of normal is equals to -10. Now we have the information of the slope of normal and we already have the point. So using slope point form, we will have y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So and point is equals to the 4 comma 3. So plugging these two information, y minus y1 means y minus 3 equals to slope of normal, which is -10 times x minus x1 means x minus 4. Further solving, we will have y minus 3 equals to the -10x plus 40 and y plus 10x equals to 43. So this is the equation of the normal at point P. Okay, let's move to the part B. Find the rate of change of gradient of the curve when x is equal to 4. Okay, we already have the gradient information. This is the derivative of the curve is gradient of the curve. So we need to find the rate of change of gradient. So we need to find dy square with respect to dx, because rate of change of gradient is second derivative of the curve. So derivate the derivative equation. So derivative of 8x to the power of -2 with respect to dx minus derivative of 10 times 2x minus 3 to the power of -2 over dx. This one is the second derivative. Rate of change of gradient. Okay, so second derivative of the curve is equal to derivative of 8x to the power of -2. So 8 is multiple, and derivative of x to the power of -2 is -2 times x to the power of negative 2 minus 1 minus 10 is multiple derivative of 2x minus 3 whole power negative 2 is negative 2 times 2x minus 3 to the whole power of negative 2 minus 1. Also, we need to derivate the inner function. So, derivative of 2x minus 3 with respect to dx. So, this one is equal to negative 16x to the power of negative 3 minus negative 20, and this one is 2x minus 3 whole power negative 3, and derivative of 2x minus 3 is 2. So, second derivative with respect to x is negative 16 over x cube minus 20 times 2 is 40. So, this one will be 40 over 2x minus 3 whole cube. So this is the rate of change of gradient. We need to find the rate of change of gradient when the x is equal to 4. So d2 is x square. When x is equals to 4 is equals to negative 16 over x to the power of 4 means 4 cube plus 40 over 2 times 4 minus 3 whole cube, and this one is equal to negative 16 over 4 cube plus 40 over 5 cube. So we can see that negative 1 over 4 plus 8 over 25, and taking LCM we will have 100, and this one will be 25 negative, and this one will be positive 32. Positive 7 over 100. So we can say that rate of change of gradient with respect to x when x equals to 4 is equals to 7 over 100. Now let's move to the part C. Given that the curve is passes through the point negative 1 comma q, find the value of q. First we need to find the equation of the curve, because this point will satisfy the equation of curve. And we know that we don't have any equation of curve, but the derivative of the curve is given. So we will use this equation. dy over dx is equal to 8 over x square minus 10 over 2x minus 3 whole square. We need to find the equation of the curve. So we can find equation of the curve by using the integration. So dy is equals to 8x to the power of negative 2 minus 10 2x minus 3 whole power negative 2 with respect to dx. So integrate both sides. Integration of dy is equals to y, which is equals to integration of 8x to the power of negative 2 minus 10 times 2x minus 3 whole negative power 2 with respect to dx. And integration of x to the power of negative 2 is x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 divided by power. So negative 2 plus 1 minus 10 integration of 2x minus 3 whole power negative 2 plus 1 over power negative 2 plus 1. And the 2 is multiple with x, so it will be divided. Plus constant c. So y is equals to 8 over negative 1 times x to the power of negative 1 minus 10 over negative 1 times 2x minus c to the power of negative 1 times 1 over 2 plus c. And this one is equals to y is equal to 8 negative 8 over x plus this one will be 5 positive 5 over 2x minus 3 plus c. This is the equation of the, and c is unknown. We can find the value of c as we know that this p point is passing through the curve, so p will satisfy the equation. So we can say that the curve passes through point p, which is 4 comma 3. So point p will satisfy the curve equation. So we can plug this value of p in this equation to find the value of c. So y is 3. So 3 is equals to negative 8 over x means 4 plus 5 over 2x means 2 times 4 minus 3 plus c. So this one is equals to negative 2. So 3 is equals to negative 2 plus 5 over 5 means 1 plus c. So this one is 1. Further solving, we will have c is equals to the 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. So we have the constant c. Now equation of curve is y is equals to negative 8 over x plus 5 over 2x minus 3 plus c means 4. This is the equation of the curve. Now it is given that this point is also passing through the curve, so this point will also satisfy the curve. So we can say that negative 1 comma q satisfy the curve equation. So q, this one is y coordinate and this negative one is the x coordinate. So plugging q is equals to negative 8 over negative 1 plus 5 over 2 times negative 1 minus 3 plus 4. And this one is equals to 8 plus 5 over negative 5 plus 4. So this one is equals to negative 1 and we will have 8 minus 1 plus 4 equal to q. So we can say that q is equals to the 11. So this was the required value of q. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share.